So let's start the program for Armstrong number. So this is an Armstrong number 153. So we'll check whether this number is Armstrong or not. So let's take a variable in that initialize this value. Okay. And what we have to do in Armstrong number, we have to check the number of digits in this number. Here 153. Total 3 digits are there. Okay, 3. Count is 3. So if the count is 3, so we have to do 1 to the power 3, okay, plus 5 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3. 153. Whatever is the count of this number, like digit like 153, 3 number are there, okay, 3 number. So that is a cube, okay. So we have to do 1 to the power 3 plus 5 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. This sum should be equal to 153. Okay, now that is a Armstrong number. We'll do sum of this one. That is an Armstrong number. Okay, now we'll start with the program. So just for your reference, okay, so I'll take this integer 153. So first we'll check the count of digit, how many are there. So for that we'll have to take a while loop, and let's take this value of n in some variable n. Okay, just for the count I'm taking this one. X is greater than 0, x equals to x divided by 10. What it will do, it will reduce the value of 153 one by one, this one. So first it was 153, then it will be 1 5, then it will be 1, then it will be less than 0. So that condition will be false. So when this is 153 divided by 10, so in x we'll be having 15 now, because it is an integer, so it won't take the value after the decimal. If we do x divided by 10, that will do 153.3, right? But it will not take the value after the decimal, only this value it will take 15. Okay, so that's how it will count it. Like 153, it will do first, it will remove first 3, then it will remove 53, then it will remove all the values. So the value of c will be count plus plus we have given. And let's take this integer as initially we have initialized this variable as 0. So now this one will be 3 times, because this loop will run 3 times, because we have 3 digits, so this will run 3 times. So the value of c count is 3 now. Okay, so we have got how many digits are there in that number, because initially we have to make the power of those particular number whatever the number of digits we have. So 3 we have kept because we have 3 digits. So first we got the count. Okay, now we will do this addition. Okay, 153 was there, first take the count, that is done. C is now 3. Now we have to use this formula to generate this number. So for that, what we'll do, we take a variable remainder, then n mod 10. So what will be the remainder for this one? Remainder will be 3, because whenever we are doing a mod of any number by 10, it will return the remainder, that is the last value 3. So if we'll do 153 mod 10, it will return 3. If we'll do this, it will return 3, the last digit. Okay, so the remainder is having now value as 3. Okay, so what we have to do with 3? First 3 to the power 3. Okay, easy. So we'll take a variable sum, because we have to do sum every time, this plus this plus this. So we are starting this condition from last number 3. Okay, so sum equals sum plus power of 3 and 3. So we have to use this function math dot power. Then we have to give both the value. 3 was there. Okay, 3 initially to the power c. Here also not 3. Remainder, whatever the remainder we have got, remainder is 3 to the power 3 because total digit was 3. Okay, now we'll reduce the value of n by 1 5 because next time it should be 1 5 mod 10, so it will return the value of 5. Again this will come, so how many times this loop should go? N is greater than 0. Okay, all right. Now let's take one more variable to check the condition. F y sum, because whatever the sum we have got after completion of this loop, the value is in sum. 153 should be in sum. Okay, so if the value of y is n means 153, if it is matching with the value of sum, then it is an Armstrong number, otherwise it is not. So else not Armstrong. Okay, let's execute this one. Okay, we have to remove these values here also, because we have not put any comments. Remainder, okay, we have not initialized the remainder to 0. I guess sum also we have equals to 0. We have to initialize them by 0. Remainder and sum, initially some value should be there, otherwise it will take some wrong value and it will add it. Okay, conversion, possibly Lucy conversion for double trend. Okay, we have taken the sum as int, but these math.power returns a double value. Okay, so we have to change the variable type as double and execute this one. Armstrong, you can see. If I will change the number to any number 154, should return not Armstrong. Okay, a very easy program. Just take the count of this number, whatever the how many digits are there, and do and find that number and give that particular number to in power. Okay, take the remainder, like take the last digit, start from the last digit. Okay, and give it in the power and do a sum, and that sum should equal to this number. Okay, and reduce the number one. This is the main logic. Okay, this is to get the count, and this is to add all the digits like 1 plus 5 plus 4, and you have to give power the number of digits, that is 3. Okay, and that sum should be equals to this number. Okay, that's it. Thank you.